Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757 working on a GMC Arcadia. Gentleman did not want to charge up his AC because he was very afraid of overcharging it because he's already had the experience, which is very smart. So he called us. This vehicle has a front and rear air condition, so the recharge is going to be a little different, and also you have to go by the ambient temperature with the pressure. On the gauges that you will use, I have a digital one, but I also have an analog one, which I'm going to pull out for you so you can actually see what I am actually physically talking about. For all those people who want to be naysayers and say I don't have professional equipment, well, here we are. This is a DIY. I have the one for the new one, the 134A, and the one YF whatever Freon. So getting back to this is for DIY people. I'm trying to help you guys. Right now, this digital one is saying 32, which will be 32 on here. Never, ever think because it says filled that is correct. That is incorrect. Your ambient temperature, which is the outside temperature, which is about 100 degrees, with the pressure inside work hand in hand. So if you decide to fill up your Freon and you stop, say, at 40 right now, and you do not know about ambient temperature, as soon as you start driving, it's going to pull on more pressure and drop you lower. When you get around 20-25, your compressor cuts off so it won't destroy itself. So you have to make sure it is completely recharged correctly, and it'll adjust itself because you have enough Freon over hot, cold, or whatever it is. Again, I'm really emphasizing this. Do not in any shape or way rely on this. There is going to be on the video, on the description, an ambient chart. You have to know it. I don't need to know it because I've been doing this a long time with houses and cars. So I'm going to bring this gentleman, because it's 100 and something degrees, to like 45, 50 PSI. As the temperature drops, he'll still have enough Freon when he hits the gas and he takes off, and he will never hit the mark that's going to cut the Freon off. The compressor has a low cutoff switch, and it'll cut off between 20 and 25 PSI. It also has an overcharging switch. If you get too high, it actually will blow itself through the vents or blow itself through the lines, or the cutoff switch, if it's working, will cut it off and won't let it work, which is self-preservation. So I'm going to charge this up to the proper specs that it needs to be done. I can also use a weight and put the proper amount in, but the gentleman already has Freon in it, so I'm just going to put the right PSI. This is for DIY people, all the people who are so specific and all this and all that. This video is not for you, and please leave positive comments. I'm trying to help people. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share.